Reversing clips in DaVinci Resolve. Let me show you how. Over here on the timeline we have our clip. Let me just select one small portion. It's enough. I will cut the rest of it. And we don't need the audio for this tutorial. Let's duplicate it by holding Alt and dragging it. Now on the second clip selected, we are going to press right click, change clip speed, and over here reverse speed. So you've noticed how the speed is now -100 because it's reverse, and the frames are -29 because my timeline is 30 frames per second. Change it. So let's view it now. It should start now. And that's how easy it is to reverse a clip in DaVinci. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.